Hello friend, today we are going to learn how to calculate the total output when the value of A is given alpha, beta, unit of capital and unit of labor. As we know, these are the information which are related to the production function, and when we write the production function, we can see where the value of A, alpha, B, unit of capital and unit of labor is used. This is related to the Cobb-Douglas production function. So first we write the Cobb-Douglas production function, that is Q is equals to A K to the power alpha and L to the power beta. This is the Cobb-Douglas production function, where Q is the quantity of output, where A is the constant, K represent the amount of capital, and L represent the quantity of labor. So if we put all these values in this production function, we can easily calculate the total output. So what we have to do, we will write 50 in place of capital A into the number of unit of capital is 25 to the power alpha, where the value of alpha is 0.5. Then we multiply, number of unit of labor, that is 100 to the power 0.5, the value of beta. Now if the value of any variable is 0.5, that means the value is half. The power of 25 is half into 100, the power of 100 is half. Half means the square root. 50 into square root of 25 into square root of 100. So this will be 50 into this, the square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 100 is 10. So 5 5s are 25, 250 into 10, and this will be 2500 units Q. So friend, this is quite a simple calculation. I hope you like this video. If you like, please give me thumbs up and please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video.